Hello, my friends. I am Emilio. How are you? I am very good. Today, we are going to the restaurant. I'm so happy. I love to eat. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Are you ready? Yes? Let's go. Hands on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's time to have fun. It's time to learn. Hands on, it's time to play.
Let's have fun at the restaurant together. I am really hungry. Hands on the food. But wait, just a minute. At the restaurant, we need to wash our hands first. So, let's wash our hands. Yes. Water. Soap. And now my hands are clean, and now I'm ready to order. I'll have pasta. I love pasta. Ta-da! Do you like pasta? So good. I'll have chicken. Chicken is delicious. So good. Ta-da! And I also, yes, I'll have eggs. I like eggs. Now, whoa, so good. Let's eat. Yummy. The food was delicious. Now let's eat some fruit. Yeah, I love fruit. I'll have a banana. I'll have an apple. And I'll have grapes. The banana is yellow. Let's taste the banana. Bananas are so good. And the apple is red. And grapes are green. One grape. 2 grapes, 3 grapes, 4 grapes. Grapes are so delicious. I have an idea. Ta-da! Wow! Now I have a fruit salad. But at the restaurant, we can also have ice cream. Yes, I love ice cream. I have an idea. Let's put ice cream on the fruit salad. Ta-da! Wow, so good. Let's put all the ice cream in. And let's eat. Wow. That's it for today, friends. Now I'm going to eat all of this delicious food. See you next time. Bye-bye. Hands on. So good.